A common experience and complaint among older or aged people are the sensations of having to hear sounds inside the ear. Usually, the sounds that are heard are that of a crackling sound in inner ear. This is what is known to be called as tinnitus.
Doctors, researchers and specialists have studied such hearing disorder and have since then been developing many different tinnitus treatments. It has been studied that tinnitus may be brought up by many different causes. Each case of tinnitus is somehow different from another person. Each has his or her own toleration of the disorder. To some, they may experience tinnitus together with a high degree of pain and discomfort. However, there are also many people who tend to not notice such. Some may even not have known that they are already experiencing tinnitus.
The major cause of tinnitus is the exposure of the auditory nerve to constant high levels of noise. Somehow, the most common cause of such would be the neglect of taking care of our sense of hearing. Most people tend to forget that we ought to take care of our ears and hearing abilities by covering up our ears whenever there is noise. Some may even embrace such situation wherein high levels of sound waves or noise is present. Examples of such events would be like that of a concert. It has been studied that getting into a concert could implicate a rather serious damage to the auditory nerves. It has been concluded that whenever getting into events like concerts, it is advisable to wear protective gear like earplugs. Wearing such lessens the noise and thus protects your ability to hear. Factory or industrial workers often complain of their buzzing ears ringing with different sounds. This is due to the exposure to high degrees of noise. Many of these workers often use machineries and tools that emit a rather noisy sound. Jackhammers, machines, trucks, and many other equipment are concrete examples of tools that give off loud frequencies of sound waves that irritate the auditory nerves. Wearing of earplugs is advisable.
Many tinnitus treatments are out there. However, it is better to take precautionary measures first rather than suffer the consequences after.
Want more information about ear crackling sound?
Do you suffer from hearing loss or tinnitus?
Do you have a constant ringing in the ears?
If your doctor wasn't able to help you, then visit www.overcometinnitus.com for some amazing treatment for tinnitus and remedies that really work.
Stop the ringing in your ears and say goodbye to tinnitus forever. Come read what other past tinnitus sufferers are saying about these amazing tinnitus cures.
Hurry!